Okay, so my name is Aref Kalantari. I'm a PhD student in the Department of Neurology at the University Hospital of Cologne. I have a poster about how to establish and maintain a multimodal animal research dataset. And just to get right to it, so what kind of data do we have in our lab? We use MRI data, microscopy data, histology data, and behavioral measurements. And also along to these data, the behavioral measurements are in the forms of videos, of course. We also have electrocardiography, electromyography documentation, so all kinds of types of data. And the objectives of this work, what the goals were, is to not only do version control on code that we are used to do in the scientific community, but also to do version control on data, and to do remote collaboration, to create a standardized structure on data and have provenance tracking, and to have a good workflow management, all on data and code. And also all of it is in the direction to have the FAIR guidelines, so findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable data. And also in the animal world, we have the 3R principle, so the replacement, reduction, and refinement, to help go into that direction with good workflow management to achieve those goals. So to say. And I have to look at my time. So how does the workflow looks like? This is the usual structure that mostly every research lab has. So we have a project plan. We have an idea, we document it, we have the experimental data, and everything goes into this green circle where we have our central workstation. We do our data analysis with it, and we usually have our local data storage, and there's always a network backup somewhere. That's the usual standard now. What we have added to the mix is the combination of two tools, DataLad and GIN. GIN is a data sharing hosting service that, for those who don't know, it is similar to like a Google Drive with other capabilities. And DataLad is a tool for data management that also Michael, the next speaker, will tell you more about. And what we did is to add these two tools in the combination to 4 publications. So if we publish something, we use these 2 tools, and we share the data also in the GIN web service only for publication. So we have our own data structure, and we have the data of the publications for other people to access it with the DataLad tool. And it is also a published work. If you're interested, you can look it up, or you can make a screenshot. I've put a QR code next to the paper. You can check out the paper for details. And this was it, actually.